Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to play this game, drag and drop math, so you can practice your multi-digit multiplication. So you're just going to click play, then you're going to go to multiplication and next. And then I chose at first I just want to do 5 problems, and I want to do 2 digits times 2 digits. And so I click the 2 each time and then next. So it gives me a problem to work out. So I'm going to go step by step. 8 times 7 is 56. So I'm going to drag a 6 over here. And then I have to carry my 5 to the next place. I'm going to take a little 5 and put it over there. And then I'm going to do my next step, 7 times 7, which is 49. And then I'm going to add my 5, so that'll be 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So I'm going to take both of those numbers and put them down here. Now, we learned in the video that we needed to put this 0 here as representing our 10, our placeholder. And then I'm going to take this 5 away over here just to kind of get it out of my way. And I'm going to start with my next step, which was to go to the 4 and multiply it times the 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So I'm going to put down my 2 and carry my 3. That's why I moved that 2 out of the way. And then I'm going to say 4 times 7 is 28, 29, 30, 31. So I'm going to put my 1 here and then my 3 here. Now I have to add those two together. So I'm going to say 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. And just the 3 by itself. So I'm going to go over here and type that number in, 3666, and click OK. It says I am correct, and then it's going to let me go on to the next problem. So on my next problem, I have 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to put down my 2 and carry my 1 to the next place. Then I'm going to multiply on my diagonal here. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 more is 37. So I don't have anywhere to carry that next number to, so I'm just going to bring it down. So I have 372. Now I'm going to say 1 times 2. I'm going to put my placeholder there, sorry. I'm going to say 1 times 2 is 2. And then 1 times 6 is 6. And then I'll add those together. 2 times 0 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3 plus 6 is also 9. So I should have an answer of 992. And it tells me I'm correct, and then I go on to the next problem. So you can see how to work that. If you want to have a grid paper to work on, you can click this right here. If you want to have where you can set it up like notebook paper, you can click on this little icon right here. And then if you just want a plain background, you can click on that icon right there. I kind of like the grid paper on that. But hopefully you'll have fun practicing some of these problems. And if you want to use scratch paper and work it out, one of the other methods that you saw in the video, you can do that too. Have fun.